It's Friday. That means it's date night. For those of you who are new to my blog, every Friday I post a creative date idea from a book I published called 101 Creative Dates. I really enjoy creative dates. I love thinking of new fun activities to do, whether in a group setting, whether in a one-on-one romantic setting, whether it's like an inexpensive date or a lavish, super expensive, date idea. So I have ideas in all of those categories for married couples, first date ideas if you just met someone or someone you've been dating for a while and maybe you want to propose. So I had the idea to write this book back in college and kind of got tired of all the same old boring date ideas, just dinner and a movie this, dinner and a movie that, and wanted to mix it up a little bit. So I came up with some really cool ideas. I also pulled some ideas that my family members, my brothers had done, and other friends had done, and I compiled and wrote this book called 101 Creative Dates and published it. And so what I decided to do is to post each date idea in their entirety each Friday. And then I wanted to do this video introduction to introduce the date as well. So there we go. And that brings us to date number 33, lights, camera, action. So what is that? So the idea behind this date falls into the group date category, is what you would do is you would get together a few other couples. Again, they could be your married friends, they could be just single, it could be someone's first date with somebody. It really doesn't matter with this date. It's actually just a lot of fun. And so what you'll do is you'll get a group of other couples together and you will plan out some kind of a home video. It could be a music video, like a dance video. It could be some kind of like a short movie, like a horror movie, or like a comedy. Anything really. It could be like a sports parody video, whatever you want to do, lip sync video. And then what the idea is the first night of the date, you'll get together, just a couple hours, and you'll plan out the whole activity, the whole video, what you want to do. Write the script, come up with the ideas, any kind of costumes, things of that nature. And then the next night, it could be a week later, whenever it is, you'll get together again and you'll film it. You can film it on your phone, or if you have a nice camera, use that. And then one of you, whoever has the experience editing, will take that and they'll edit it on their computer or whatnot, put music to it, whatever they want to do. And then you'll get together at one other time and watch it. And you'll have food and whatnot. So it's just a really, really fun thing to do, something different. It's not a super expensive activity, depending on where you shoot the video or what kind of costumes you buy, things of that nature. Yeah, so it's just a really, really fun activity and something different than your normal date activity. Now, since you're going to be together a couple different times for this, I know I mentioned earlier that it could be a good first date. It would depend on if that first date is like a friend of yours, and then it's probably a good idea. But if you've never met the person and it's like a blind date, it's probably not a good blind date activity because you're going to need that person for the next couple evenings or whatnot to make the date all come together. Or what you could do is you could just film it all in the same day, like on a long day, like on a Saturday, and depending on the idea that you want to do for the little home video. And then just like throw it up on YouTube or whatever and watch it and have a good time. It's a fun little idea. I've done it several times and I really enjoy it. If you want to find out how my experience was with it, one of my experiences was with it, make sure to read down below the post in its entirety. Also, if you want to pick up a copy of the book, like the paperback version or the ebook version, I'll put a link down below where you can buy that on Amazon. And if you have Kindle Unlimited, you can read it for free. Happy dating, everyone. Until next time, signing off.